Hey Midway Mayhem fans, this is Nelson. We are checking in from Six Flags Over Georgia today for a little Fright Fest tour, and we're going to be walking around a little bit, checking out some little updates we can get around the park. So without further ado, let's go check it out. And after a very minimal wait, we are in the park, and as you can tell, it's a busy one. And the fountains are full of blood. Wow, this is awesome. We've been making updates for this house a long time now, and it has been confirmed to be Alien Abduction. So that is the house near Goliath, and we have been updating this house coming up for a few months now, and here it is, confirmed Alien Abduction. There were a lot of theories of what people thought it would be, but a lot of fans told us that they thought it was going to be a Fright Fest house, so you were right.
Wow.
What are you looking at, Len? You know I had a daughter look like this? Your mom and dad did that to you.
I know my legs don't move that fast.
Tales of the Hokey Pokey. See for yourselves. If you can see this child as you travel through the marsh, let Marshal Billy Bob know and he'll look out for the little guy. Some of you may remember a large brutish lumberjack who had a giant axe that swung down, just aged throughout the years. But one actor in particular had saved the day. The story goes that back in 1967 it happened. Ghost stories of Six Flags Over Georgia.
You are now arriving back at Marksville Train Station for safety and is connected with the light engineers.
I think he's scared of cameras.
like what is that?
Ain't nobody coming through this way. Everybody leaving.
Miniature Twisted Cyclone update. One little thing has changed in the park, and it is this sign right here. I don't know if you guys remember the original sign. I'll pop that up right now. But that's what it is now, and I'm not exactly sure why, but for some reason they changed it. It's still good, but pretty interesting that they switched it. But that's pretty much all there is to update about Twisted Cyclone. Alrighty guys, well that is going to do it for this mini Fright Fest tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like, and if you like what we do, make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.